Hello friends, and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today we explore wind relieving pose. Yes, you heard me correctly. We will be breaking some wind on the channel today. This is why I feel that an at-home yoga practice is so ideal, because you can make whatever noise you want to make, you can smell up the room if you want to. Anyways, on a more serious note, not only will we be getting rid of some trapped gas, but we will also be receiving a really gentle full body stretch. In terms of props today, feel free to bring a blanket or a pillow with you. These are just optional items, so if you don't have them, no worries, you're still good. And it's very important for today's practice that we wear some ultra comfy clothes. So that way we're giving us some more space to breathe and move through this flow. Let's release some trapped gas. Okie doke friends, we're going to begin by laying flat on our backs. If you brought a blanket or a pillow with you, now would be a good time to place that down on the mat. We're going to use it as a pillow for our heads. And if you don't have one, no worries, just come to lay flat on your back. Okay. When you arrive there, bring the soles of your feet to the mat, knees pointing up towards the sky. Take a moment to tuck in the chin slightly to create some length through the back of the neck, and snuggle your shoulder blades underneath the back body to create some space between the ears and the shoulders and to create an opening in the chest. Put your hands on your belly. Perhaps even close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Let's breathe in. Feel your belly rise and breathe out. Feel your belly sink back into the earth. One more time. Awesome. Open your eyes if they were closed. Now, bring your right knee up, hug it into your chest. Keep your left foot on the mat for right now. Interlace your hands around your shin, just underneath your kneecap. Now keep active feet here by flexing your toes towards your forehead, or you can imagine that you're pressing that foot into an imaginary wall. Breathe here. I gotta tell you, your breath will be the tool here that will help us release some unwanted gas. So keep that in mind as we move through this flow. All right, when you are ready, extend that left leg out long. Straighten it if you can. If not, it's all good. Just keep a nice little generous bend in your knee. And you can also flex your left foot as well. Perhaps you want to play around with bringing the knee a little bit closer to the chest. This could be a very subtle movement. Now, on our exhale, we are going to peel our nose up towards our knee. So together, let's take a deep breath in. And on our exhale, lift the head, the shoulders away from the earth, bringing our nose towards our knee, or you can almost visualize bringing your chest towards your knee to create an opening in the chest. Remember to keep that chin tucked, extend through the crown to create length in the back of our neck. Sometimes our shoulders have like a habit of creeping on up towards our ears. If that is happening, just loop your shoulders up and down your back body. just to create some space. And breathe here. Really breathe into your low belly. On your next exhale, release the head and the shoulders to the earth. Release the sole of the right foot to the earth as well. And then let's just get on into the other side. Let's bring our left knee in towards our heart. Flex that left foot. Interlace the fingers around the shin. Breathe here just for a moment or two. Just checking it out. And then when you are ready, extend that leg, that right leg I should say, out long on your mat. Keep bending the knee if you need to. It's all good. Perhaps this time you find a little back and forth or side to side movement. Getting a little bit of a massage in the back body. And then on our exhale, begin to lift the head and the shoulders away from the mat. Bring the nose, oh my goodness, I've done that twice. The nose towards the knee. And breathe here. On your next exhale, release your head and your shoulders to the earth. Bring both soles of the feet to the mat as we reset. And now here is my all-time favorite move in yoga. We're gonna hug both knees into our chest, wrap your arms nicely around your shins. You can interlace the fingers too if that helps create more stability here. Flex those toes and find a nice little gentle rock side to side. Massaging the back of the body. Breathing into that low belly. You can almost feel it like pressing up into your thighs as you do so. Hopefully by now you're feeling a little bit better, perhaps even finding some more relief. That is the goal of the practice after all. And again, it's all good if you're smelling up the room. I brought my diffuser along with me just in case. No, I'm just kidding. I just like the smell of lavender. And find some stillness. And on your next exhale, begin to lift up the head and the shoulders away from the mat, bringing your nose, oh my. I'm getting too zenned out here. Your nose towards your knees. Breathe here for one more breath cycle. And on your next exhale, release back down to the earth, bringing the soles of your feet to the earth. Extend the legs out long. Oh my goodness. And take a full body stretch, imagining as if you are just starting your day, waking up. Feel free to yawn. Find whatever movement works best for you. And when you have done so, float your hands back down to the earth. Place them at your sides. Take 2 deep breaths. The deepest breath cycles that you've taken in all day. You did it. Great work today. Okay, so that was wind relieving pose. I hope that you were able to let go. And I don't only mean letting go of unwanted gas, but I'm also talking about letting go of perhaps negative energy or even tension in the body. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with someone that you believe would benefit from the posture. And also, comments and questions are always welcomed and encouraged. I'm actually quite interested in reading the comments for this video. You probably know why. And please subscribe to the Yoga with Rachel channel if you haven't done so already. It is the best way to support free yoga content for all. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.